So what I have here is all my documents within my Google Drive, as you can see here. Right here, these are all of the folders that I have in my drive. There's one for Education 270, and then there is also one for my theme for education, which is the periodic table. Now, when you create a document, you can also put it into whatever folder you would like. So with this document, stated document for EDCI 270, I am going to move it into EDCI 270. You are going to left click on your mouse. You are going to click Move To, and then you can choose whatever folder you would like. You could choose EDCI 270, and then you finish by hitting Move. Now, also with Google Drive, you can share a document. So I'm going to click on a document that I have, and in the top right corner there's a button that says Share. You will click Share, and then you will enter the name of someone to share it with. I'm going to share it with myself. You'll click on whoever it is, and then you will click Send. And then it has shared with one person as stated up top.